Hello guys, how are you all? Guys, once again I have brought an amazing broker for all of you. This broker is offering $100 no deposit bonus 2024. Fxplayer broker $100 no deposit bonus 2024. Free bonus account. Get your free bonuses. $100 no deposit bonus. 100% deposit bonus. $100 referral bonus. About no deposit bonus. Get $100 no deposit bonus on registration. Trade the real markets for free. All you profit is yours. Meet the 50 lots requirement and withdraw all you profit. I will just tell you 2 terms remaining, you all will have to learn your own. 1 lot shall be equal to 100,000 of trading units, or 100,000 notional amount, or 1 industry standard lot. Promotion is for Forex trading only. Round turn requirements are calculated only on Forex products, no CFDs on futures, commodities or equities. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and learnt something new. Thanks for watching this video.